Hey guys, Richard here from Sound Security, and what we got here is a Mercedes E-Class 2017, and what we've done on this car is we've put in a factory style front parking camera. So as you can see, the front parking camera is installed there. The light is very low, it's hard to see there, but it's literally there, factory style on the original grille. And also it comes with the original rear camera already, so we added the factory one on the front, and also HDMI input so you can mirror your phone. So I'm going to show you now how this works. So the camera system works when you put into reverse as normal. It will come up with the reverse camera. You can see that's your reverse camera, all original. When you put it into drive, so you want to move forward now, you get the front camera come up on the screen, as you can see there, and that will stay on for a while, and it will switch back to the rear camera as well. And obviously when you put it back into reverse and then put it to park again in the front, it will switch back again. So you can see, you can adjust how long you want to stay on, so you can make it so it's 5 seconds, as we got the customer set to 5 seconds. You can make it 10 seconds, so if you want it longer, you can make it longer as well. Additionally, what we've done is we've also integrated HDMI input, so you can mirror your phone onto the main screen and watch anything you want. So it's Netflix and all that, YouTube. So it's running through there. You got a little cable here, HDMI cable, that plugs into your phone's adapter if you got Android or iPhone, so you can use either one. So I'm just going to unlock the phone now. Right, so the phone's unlocked. I'm just going to switch to it. So all you do is you press and hold your factory button, and you can cycle through several options. You can also cycle to your front camera if you want to use your front camera again. And yeah, so it comes up, as you can see, that's the phone and that's the screen. So you can literally, anything you do on your phone will mirror on the screen. So if I put something like, I don't know, YouTube or something, so there, get a trailer running. It's all run through the factory audio system. Listen, so you know, you get full surround sound.
The drones did. The drones that are yours.
So you get perfect.
Does any part of you feel relieved about
So you get perfect surround sound experience in your car, like a movie theater as
now
well.
That everybody knows you don't.
So yeah, as you can see, full HD, super clear quality, cannot beat it.
Wanted to lie to you. But how do you tell someone that you're Spider-Man?
All on the original system, guys. All on the original system.
Now everybody knows. But this isn't about me.
So basically, your phone will play anything on the screen.
I'm just thinking about how to fix all of this.
So yeah, you pretty much want the system on your car, we can do it. We have not also touched the original system. As you can see, your original system stays intact. You still got your original sat nav and all the other original media functions still intact. All this system does is adds on top, so you get your front factory style camera and HDMI mirroring through your phone. If you want this system on your Mercedes, you know, just give us a shout on 028-554-5554, or come visit us at Sound Security in Ilford, IG2 6QA 2A Cantley Gardens. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos, guys. We've got lots of videos coming with different cars, with different systems. If you want to see what's supported on your vehicle, just give us a shout and we can try and find something for your car. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our videos, guys.